Welcome to PTI BetterGradesFast.com multimedia tutorials. Today we're looking at a short story, and one main element of a short story, setting. Setting refers to where the story takes place. Your story can take place anywhere you want it to take place. It can be in a ghetto, it can be on the moon, it can be on a foreign planet, under the ocean, in a forest, and so on. We began looking at the story Hansel and Gretel, and where do you think that's set? That's it, in a forest. All right, bushes. Now, the thing about setting is that setting makes it very lifelike for the reader. Okay, when they read about where it takes place, they can feel they're there. Okay, so we often want to use, in creating our setting, our 5 senses: sight, smell, hearing, touch, probably even taste. What I did, I wrote down a little setting for Hansel and Gretel. Listen to what I wrote as my setting where the story takes place. The trees stretched up to meet the sky. They were all so close together that there were just a few rays of sunlight shining through the thick blanket of branches and leaves. The huge gray tree trunks were buried firmly in the earth. Hansel and Gretel knew that they were lost in the forest. They could hear the birds singing in the trees, and every now and then they heard the songs of howling from some unknown beast that lurked in the forest. Now, how does that make you feel? How does the setting where the story takes place make you feel? Well, through your 5 senses, good setting creates a feeling. Your feeling can sometimes be one of peace, or maybe you can feel creepy, scared. I felt scared when I read that with Hansel and Gretel, lost in a forest, hearing just the birds and the howling of these creatures. Whenever we create a setting and we have feeling, we call that feeling atmosphere. So feeling in the setting creates atmosphere. Very important in a story, especially horror stories, where you're going to create a creepy or scared atmosphere, scary. Okay? So, good setting creates a feeling or atmosphere. Great. Thank you for choosing PTI BetterGradesFast.com. I'll see you soon.